So here's how to turn on an alarm on your Redmi Watch 5 Lite and on your Redmi Watch 5 Active. So if you've set an alarm and it's not working, it's probably because it's disabled. So to turn it on or to enable it, simply press the side or power button on your watch, then scroll through the apps until you get to the clock icon. Tap on it. And as you can see, the alarm that I had set for 6 AM is disabled. So to turn it on, I'll simply tap on the toggle and it's going to be enabled. Now you can also do this on the Mi Fitness app with the watch. So on the Mi Fitness app, launch the Mi Fitness app, make sure you're on the device tab and then select the apps option and then choose alarm. So under alarm, you should also see your alarm. If it's disabled like that, just tap on the toggle to enable it. And that's how to turn on or enable an alarm on your Redmi Watch 5 Lite and on your Redmi Watch 5 Active. Thank you for watching this video. Take care and God bless.